Miss Sandy, okay, there you go. I knew she was doing it for me.
Okay.
Now call. Oh, okay.
No, I
You're all
was just saying. Yes.
okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Christopher Tucson. This is U ticket 593-22121. This is one count loud music from a motor vehicle. This matter was adjourned from the 3rd. Mr. Tucson was ordered to do 20 hours of community service in order to have this matter dismissed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Adam Zaranick for Mr. Tucson, Your Honor.
And Mr. Tucson, could you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Christopher Tucson.
Thank you so much. It is my understanding, Attorney Zaranick, that you have now seen his completed community service, that he completed the required amount of hours, and you forwarded that to Ms. Green from the 36th District Court. Is that correct, Attorney Zaranick?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you so much. So with that being said, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice because you have completed the terms and conditions. I do appreciate it, Mr. Tucson, and you have a great day and Happy New Year, okay?
You as well. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. All right, that concludes this hearing. Thank you all.
got some plea offers, so I'll go in and talk to the defendants.
Fantastic. Thank you. Hello, Mr. Prempeh.
How y'all doing?
I'm fine, and you? How are you doing?
How you doing, Judge?
Good. Thank you.
Good. Yeah, I checked in a second ago. I saw an attorney present. Did you all have House counsel?
Well, they had to call somebody because we didn't have anybody this morning, so they
I
called.
was, I guess they didn't tell you. I was double booked basically for between you
Oh,
and Judge Williams this morning. So I
okay,
just finished Judge Williams, so I was coming in to check with you.
okay. Attorney Zaranek is handling it. You can go in there and talk to him and see if he needs to switch out or not.
Oh, go in where?
He's in breakout room number 4. And if he
Oh,
doesn't, then he can just continue on. I don't know if he has some place to be or not. And if so, y'all can just make the swap appropriately. But
perfect.
okay.
All
All
right.
right. Thank
Thank
you.
you
I
very
didn't know
much.
they had you double booked. It's okay.
Yeah, we do what we can.
It
We do what we
happens.
have to
I was
do.
about to say it happens. So you just gotta be patient. So thank
Indeed.
you.
Absolutely.
All right.
Hello?
Mr. Williams, have you spoken with the attorney?
Yes, I have. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm going to put you in a waiting room.
Okay.
Okay. Devontae Washington and Terry Williams are pleas. Kenesha Williams isn't answering, so we're ready with what we have.
All righty. I'll close it down and when I finish doing these other two.
Okay.
Mr. Washington? Devontae Washington? Can you hear me, sir?
Should be there. Shoot, we just talked for an hour.
Right, he was just here. He's on the screen. I can't hear you, sir. And I need you to start your video. He must be having issues. All right. While he tries to figure that out, I'm gonna bring the other person in. Terry Williams, we'll try him first. Terry Williams?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Okay.
How are you? Thank
I'm
you.
fine. And you, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, thank you.
All right.
Can't wait to get this little ticket stuff out the way. I didn't know I had this ticket.
I know. You have quite a few tickets. This is what happens sometimes when we don't handle business.
And they be
All right.
tied up. How many tickets are we dealing with today?
I have in front of me, sir, 1, 2, let's see. These are the same tickets as this other one. No,
I was
3, 4, 5. So it's like 3 different tickets, but each ticket has like 3 counts on them, okay?
Okay, because the thing I was saying is I thought I had a court date sometime in 22 where I did take care of tickets and I took care of everything. And I don't understand how this was lingering because I had no idea that my license was suspended. I did not.
You did. In 22, it says you failed to appear for a hearing on February 17th. I don't
Okay.
know what happened after that, okay?
Okay, so I thought that I might have caught a ticket after that date. After that date, I thought I caught a ticket and cleared it all up. But if I was mistaken, that's oh shit. Did that just happen to me, man?
What's going on?
I think my phone is powering off. Hold on.
Okay, go plug it in. All right, Mr. Washington, you have to connect to audio. Let me see if I can get him to connect to audio.
So in that Terry Williams judge, there's only 2 on the docket.
I
And
know.
the offer didn't include all this other stuff.
It didn't include all his other tickets. I should
No.
have just came in today. All right. He has some old from,
Yeah.
there's some old tickets that are in warrant status that are misdemeanors.
Hello,
Hello,
Okay.
Mr. Washington. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, and you?
I'm good, thank you. And he got kicked off. So, Mr. Zaranek, I'm gonna do Mr. Washington, and I'm gonna drive in, and I'm gonna get them to give an offer. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I can get a hold of Miss Chow and just tell her
Okay.
there's some other ones to look them up.
There's some older tickets, yeah. Mr. Washington, I need you to activate your camera for me, please. You're not smoking, are you, in court? It's just cold outside?
Yeah, it's just cold outside. I'm outside in the rain.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Devontae Washington. This is U ticket 564-13714. He's currently on probation on that ticket. Then we also have ticket U 388-04217 with 1 count of violation of the city marijuana code. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranek for Mr. Washington. Please state your name, sir.
Devontae Washington.
So Judge, the offer was to dismiss the 217 ticket. The 714 ticket would be reduced to a disorderly. He wants to avail himself of that offer.
You know what? And I didn't even look. He's already on probation for that other case. It's an offer to engage, and he pled guilty to it back in February of 2015. So he just owes money on that ticket.
Oh, okay. All right.
I
So-
had paid the warrant. I was wondering if it could be reduced.
Yeah, he might have a bond. He might have some bond money.
Well, what it looks like is that he pled guilty, but because he never came back, I don't know if they didn't reduce it down to something different from what he had or what took place. Let me read the notes real quick. He did have a bond in the amount of $205 that he paid on November 14th, 2022. But let's see.
My phone, hello?
Hello, hold on a second. I'm in the middle of another hearing. I know your phone died, Mr. Williams. Hold tight. All right. So he pled for a 6-month delayed sentence back in 2015. It was Judge Deborah Langston. And so he was to return after 6 months. And if he returned with compliance, then this case would have been dismissed. However, it looks like a warrant went out for him in December of 2016 as he failed to come to a hearing. He came back. It was a review held on 12/16/2016. And at that point in time, defendant was to complete 25 hours of community service plus all of the other conditions, the prostitution awareness program, HIV STI testing. And it looked like he just never came back to finish it. So that's why it hasn't been reduced. He was supposed to get it completely dismissed and never completed any terms. I know. Sounds terrible.
I had did the 25 hours of community service at the Goodwill, and I did the HIV STD testing, and I paid the what's the name, the $205 bond. I'm not sure. Like I honestly, I was not in Detroit at the moment. At the time, I was in college in Ohio, so I never received the mail.
I don't know, Attorney Zaranek. I don't like, it looks like the delayed sentence came and went because he failed to appear back in August of 2015, August 24th of 2015. They requested a warrant for his fail to appear. And then by the time he came back,
So, Mr. Washington, can you provide any of that stuff today?
Honestly, it was so long ago. I do not have paperwork for any of it. Like the only thing I can do is like the Goodwill. I believe it was on 8 Mile and like either Ryan or Van Dyke or something like that, or maybe Mound.
I mean, I
And
have to
like-
have document. No, Mr. Washington, you're gonna have to start all over again. Like, if you want this matter, and I'll have to talk to the prosecutor because it was a while ago, back in 2015, where they extended you the delayed sentence. So if you want it under the delayed sentence, you're gonna have to do everything all over again because you waited too long. And now you got all these things and we don't have proof. I can't take your word at it at this point in time. So you're gonna have to start all over again. If you actually want to have this done. I don't know where Ms. Jensen is. Is she in the courtroom or no?
I haven't
Okay,
seen her,
is there
Judge.
any
She's
way I can
texted me.
is there any way I can do the community service in California? I'm currently living in California.
I know. That's not a problem for me. We just have to make sure that we have everything, the payment. You owe $795 now. And I don't know why it's so much. I will have to look through it and figure that out. I know that $205 can be applied to it. But I don't know if she wants to do something based on that particular one as well. You said you're texting Ms. Jansen right now?
Yeah, I just did, Judge.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Uh, am I waiting for the judge or what's going on
No,
now?
we're just waiting for the city attorney to come back to court. So just hang tight, okay?
Okay.
Thanks.
Hi, Wayne County Jail.
How you doing? Happy New Year's, Judge Taylor.
Happy New Year to you too, sir. You have two folks for me?
Yes, ma'am.
All righty.
I have, what's your name, sir?
Okay. We're
Mr.
gonna have to get,
Young. I have Mr. Young here right now.
all right. We're gonna have to get offers for them, so just hold tight. Are you able to hold tight for a moment or no?
Yes, ma'am. I get
Okay,
paid by the hour. Good.
Thank you so much. I just want to let you know so that you were aware of it. And then we'll get those offers for the two people and get them over to the House Council, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
All right, Madam Clerk?
One moment, Attorney Zarandis.
Sure. Yep, no problem.
What was your name again? See you later. Good seeing you.
Good seeing you too. Have a good day.
You too.
And Happy New Year.
Hi, Attorney Zarandis. You need me?
Do you have the other ticket numbers for Mr. Williams that I can give to Ms. Jansen?
Yes. You ready?
Yes.
11, 4, 5, 6, 1, 8, 5. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 1 looks like driving while license not valid. Then the other set of tickets are SP 1070386, counts 1, 2, and 3. Count 1 is drive unregistered entitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay. So those two plus the one that's on the docket.
Right, on the docket, you have 11, 7, 8, 2, 5,
Yep.
7. Okay, yep.
Yeah, I got those two. Okay. And then she also needed the names of the in custodies.
Okay. I think that was
They all other than.
Huh?
They all other than.
under 9 o'clock. So it's Tremaine Young and Deshaun Walton, the 9 a.m. docket.
Oh, okay. I got those. And Mr. Washington, she didn't have a problem with continuing the delayed sentence if you want to, and just allowing him time to provide the information.
Okay. What you doing with the other ticket, did she say?
I'll check with her on that one. That's the only one that's outstanding, right? The other one he pled on.
The other one he pled on, yeah, the other one was
Yeah.
outstanding.
Okay, let me see if she's still in the, I don't know if she's still in the breakout.
All right.
Okay, I'll text her again. She's not there.
So I have made a decision on criminal street, other than this meeting happens, it's going to be $750 to the
Wayne County Jail.
So she's gonna get on for Tremaine, and ask if you adjourn patient.
Judge,
Hello?
Judge,
Yes.
I stepped away from the computer. I heard your voice. Were you trying to get my attention?
No, I'm trying to get the Wayne County Jail.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I think they stepped up. They both left.
All right, let's do Mr. Washington. Devontae Washington.
Hello.
Hello. Turn your camera back on for me, okay?
Okay, give me 1 second.
Did you get it? Did she tell you to offer?
All right, you gotta take the hat off and then you gotta find some place to be still for just 1 second, okay?
You said take the hat off?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I was about to step outside, like, and it's raining. Like, I'm not at a public, I'm not at a private location. So I have to do the Zoom meeting outside.
So
Hello?
I'm here, Mr. Washington. I'm just trying to figure out why you're having a discussion with me about me asking you to take the hat off when I'm about to do something that I don't have to do for your case today. Like if somebody was begging, if someone was about to do something for me, I would be like, I'm all about it. Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna take this off. I'm not gonna give an explanation.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
It's all right.
It's hard to
Okay.
hear. I'm outside. I don't have a private location.
I know. Yeah, I don't know where he's inside of. All right. Recalling the matters of the people versus Devontae Washington. This is you ticket 15613-714. One count offered to engage the services of another for the act of prostitution. Also calling ticket U388-04217. One count of the violation of the city marijuana code. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Washington. Please state your name, sir.
Devontae Washington.
All right. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on a bench warrant. Mr. Washington failed to appear back in 2015 and 2017 on these matters. How do you sign your client, sir?
Judge, he did not appear. He is guilty of not appearing on the bench warrant, but we'd ask that the warrant be set aside. He did show up today. We're asking that a personal bond be reinstated.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to set aside the warrants that are currently out there on behalf of your client. He has paid some bonds on both of the cases. So here's what's going to happen. On the violation of the city marijuana code, I think there's a motion that can be put in place at this time. Counsel?
We're going to move for dismissal on that, Judge.
And the court is going to grant that dismissal. Now we know that the city has an ordinance that allows you to have marijuana in its city limits. So the court is going to grant that. As far as the offer to engage, I don't want that on his record. So I am going to do the delayed sentence. How long is it going to take you to complete all the tasks, sir?
I'm not sure where I'm supposed to do the community service at.
Okay, how much time do you think you're gonna need to figure that out? Because you can do it out there. You just have to be able to send us crew.
So I well, the judge had assigned me a location to do the community service, and like I had did it, but like I'm not sure like how do I like do community service without like being assigned by a judge.
Okay. Mr.
What
Washington,
do I?
are you aware of any local organizations that
No.
you can't
No.
listen? We can close this out. We can just pay the money and you can have the offer to engage on your record. I'm trying to listen. You have to put some effort in here, Mr. Washington. You're in California, so now you need to figure out a nonprofit. Is there a food bank, a church, some type of organization that you can volunteer with out there in California at this point in time?
I can look for something.
Okay, 'cause that's what you gotta do.
And so 25 hours of community service, 2 tests. You said the HIV STD test, and then what's the name? I'm supposed to do some online course, like morality course.
I don't know if that class is offered online. So here's what you gotta do. Can you take down a phone number? You ready to take down the phone number?
1 second.
Okay.
All right, the number is
313-965-2293. Call and tell them that you need to take a misdemeanor morality course. If they do not offer it online, then I won't make you do it because I don't know how to get it out in California. You'll just have to clear up the rest of the costs and fines on this ticket.
so. How much is the rest of the tickets and fines? Like, I know you had told me like you're not sure why it's so high, and I had spoke with another officer right before I paid the ticket. They told me they don't know why it's so high either.
What's the extra cost on it? Let me see. $795. It might be late costs. See, when you don't pay it, they add late costs and fees to it.
Oversight fees.
Oh, they got oversight fees?
The fine was $250.
Okay, your fine was $250.
The oversight fee is $270.
The oversight fee was $270.
Then you have $50 warrant.
I can get rid of the warrant
And
cost.
then the other court.
Oh, and the other court fees. Yeah, you owe a lot. This was at a different time. I don't know if we charge that much anymore, but when you took this plea, it was probably at a different time. So it looks like you owe $95 minus 50. Is that only two?
Are you gonna take the warrant off?
Yeah, take the warrant off. Cost. That's only taken out, right? Okay, so it's $745 you still owe. It looks like you paid $205 on this one. And on the marijuana one, you paid $200. You want that to apply to this case?
Yes.
So that brings you down to $340. So I can give you some time to complete these tasks because you're gonna have to pay the money as well as do the community service and take the test in order for this to be dismissed. So you need 3 months or do you need longer than 3 months to complete all of this?
I can split it in 3 months.
Okay, all right. All right, so I'm gonna give you a return date.
Now, what is the email that I send like everything like to you once I completed it?
Okay.
So it's Lisa.
When you call 3 or when you call that number I gave you, ask to speak to Miss Green and she'll give you that information of where to send it to, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna give you a return date of March the 7th, okay? This is gonna be your review date. If at this time you have everything completed, then I will dismiss this matter. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so I have you, and I don't know if you can do the misdemeanor morality class, but ask them if you can do it online. If you can't, then I'll waive that part, okay?
Okay.
All right, then I'll see you back on that date for this matter, okay?
All right. Thank you. I'm all completed for today.
You're all clear for today. I'll see you March 7th, 2023 via Zoom, the same way you zoomed in, okay? 8:45 a.m.
Okay.
Okay. Wayne County Jail,
Yes, Your Honor.
who is this in front of me?
That's Tremaine Young, ma'am.
I think they're getting an offer for him. On the other young man, do you have a next action date for him as far as his other matter that's pending right now? Mr. Walton?
They said he went in person.
Yeah, I did.
Mr. Walton went in person?
Yes, ma'am.
To where?
Here.
Your name Young, ain't
Identity.
What's your last name?
My last name was Money Young, Mullah Money. That's why I said I was supposed to have been released yesterday. They had me switched out and dressed in club.
And Stephen Creed at which court is it? We're going to call really to see which court he went to. Because it feels like Judge Taylor don't even have with her.
That's what I said. I mean, you might go let me go. Yeah, I'm just and that person for what? I'm trying
Did you get Terry Williams together, Attorney Zarani?
Pardon, Your Honor?
Yeah.
What's my case? Yeah, I already handled that. That's what I'm saying to that. Sign down with the court.
Mr. Young? If you want to plead to an improper plate, the court will dismiss all your other cases. Do you want to do that?
You said yes.
All right,
Is that
we can
Mr.
do that,
Young?
Judge. If Mr. Young
Okay.
wants to plead to the 8731, the other matters will be dismissed.
Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Tremaine Deshaun Young. This is ticket number P1221873, count 1, improper plates, count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P1221896, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Young. Please state your name, Mr. Young.
Money Mullah, Money Young. No, I said it wrong. Cash Money Mullah. That's my whole name.
Mr. Young,
Yes, ma'am.
do you have another name that you used to go by, Tremaine Deshaun Young?
No, I never heard of that.
All right, so we don't have the right person then. We don't
No, y'all have the right person. That's like my nickname. Deshaun, that's my nickname. You have the right person, miss. You have the right person, but that's not
So Tremaine Deshaun Young.
Tremaine.
As well.
No, I don't use Tremaine. I don't
I didn't listen, Mr. Young, listen to me. It's
I'm
not
listening.
whether or not you use it. Is that the name assigned, like when, right now, since you're in Wayne County Jail, is that the name that they have assigned on your badge? Does it say Tremaine Deshaun Young?
Yes, it is.
All right, thank you very much. All right, this is the date and time set for an arraignment, I believe it is, a pretrial. Mr. Zaranick, how are we moving forward with this?
Judge, the offer is for Mr. Young to plead on the 8731 improper plate ticket. The other 3 matters on the docket would be dismissed. He wants to take that offer.
Is that right, Mr. Young? You want to go ahead and take that offer to 1 count improper plates? The remaining 3 counts will be dismissed, sir?
Yes.
All right, if so, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, Mr. Young?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Young, you had a brief moment to talk to Attorney Zaranick. He was the one who was sitting there and he said he can give you the rights. You have the right to have a bench or a jury trial. The bench trial will be before me. The jury trial will be before 6 members of the city of Detroit. You can have, I can fine you up to $500. I'm not gonna do that today. I can put you into jail for more than up to 93 days. I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just giving you your rights, sir. Do you understand all of that? I'm not doing that today. You understand that though? With misdemeanors, this is the possible penalties.
Hold on, Judge.
Yes.
I don't supposed to be right here in front of you right now because I have it's false information and false identity. Like me, I'm not even supposed to be over here in the US. I'm supposed to be over there in like UK. I wanted to say UK. I was supposed to be in London right now. But
do you have competency issues, sir?
I have identity issues to where they think that I've done something over here to where I don't even know where the last place I was at. That's what I'm saying. I don't supposed to be in this, sitting right here in front of you in their jail cell. Like all that, I don't even know. That's what I said. My name is not as far as identity. Like I had a tether on, they came here yesterday, arrived here yesterday to take the tether off, and now I'm just like jail? No, I don't even know. I want to just be released and be in freedom. I love my freedom. Like,
all right, well, Mr. Young, you wouldn't be on a tether for my cases.
I know. I'm just saying they false identity claim. They
so
actually harassed me.
You're saying this is not you who got these tickets. Is that what I hear you saying?
Yes, ma'am. They
right,
harassed
so
me for 22.
Okay, so you can have a bench or a jury trial, sir, because that's the only way to prove identification is either that or to have a police report filed saying that, okay, sir? So would you like a bench or a jury trial in this? Huh?
Can I do a police report?
Can you do what?
A police report.
File a report?
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to do that when you get out. So how about I give you a bench trial date where you can come back when you're out, hopefully? Are you planning, are you getting out sometime soon?
Today, yes, ma'am.
All right. Then you'll be able to file those appropriate documents. I think,
yes, I will.
Attorney Zaranick, do you think that that's appropriate at this point in time for us to set this for a bench trial via Zoom so he can file the documents?
I guess so. Mr. Young, you're gonna have to go to the police station and file, identity theft
Judge and
report.
Judge and Your Honor,
yes.
I go to this church called Saint Peter and Paul where they help me out whatever I need, like if this is the case. So yeah, I'll be there tomorrow morning, and I guess I can do the police report about identity theft because it's been too long, way too long.
Okay, all right. So do you want to have a bench trial then, where we set this and you can bring in that documentation on that day via Zoom to let us know?
Right now I gotta figure it out and be released from here so I can file a police report. By being in here,
Mr. Young, you got to bring a copy of that report
I'm gonna have
Back to the court on the next court date. And the judge is gonna give you a date that you gotta zoom in with that report, okay?
okay. Because it's like St. Peter and Paul, they helped me. So
It's
yeah.
a good group. Yep.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, so the next date is going to be it's going to be a trial date. Mr. Young, do you feel comfortable with me? If you don't have, when you present that document, we'll present it to the police officers and we'll see what we can do with the case. Do you feel comfortable with me hearing all the facts of that case, sir, and making a decision?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to set it for a bench trial date. Make sure they're listening so they can write it down on your documents and paper for you. On March the 21st at 9 a.m. via Zoom. Okay?
21st, 9 a.m.
21st,
Oh,
okay?
21st. That's a couple days before. Yeah, that's a couple days before my birthday.
It is, sir. So hopefully we'll have some good news by then, okay? So I'm gonna set it for a bench trial on that day. Go to that church and get the help that you need so you can file everything that you need, okay, sir?
I go to that church every day.
All right, sir. Well, you
Thank
go to that church, you have them help you file the identification thing so we can try and work it out at the next hearing, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see you back on March 21st at 9 a.m. for your bench trial, okay?
Yes, you will.
All right. Have a good day, sir.
You too.
All right.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
That inmate Kashawn Walton just came back from, I guess, with his other court date, and we're bringing him up here for you.
Okay, that's fantastic. I'm gonna give him do we have his next court date time? Because I can just give it to you. We're gonna adjourn it until after his next court date.
Oh, no, if you can tell me, I can relay it to him.
Okay, we don't know when he has to go back to the other court yet, though. I'm saying this because the prosecutor wants to adjourn it based on the type of case it is until after he finishes his other matter.
I understand, ma'am.
You can't see the criminal stuff, can you? 30 seconds. Let's set it out. Let's adjourn this one until, let's do the same day, March 21st. Hopefully that gives me enough time at 8:30 a.m. and hopefully we'll have some answers about his other case by then via Zoom.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so much for your patience this morning. I appreciate it.
Oh, no problem.
Judge, before he leaves, you want that on the record or no?
No.
Okay.
Man, we don't have to worry about that.
All right, that's it. All right, Ms. Taylor, we'll see you next time, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so much. You have a good day, okay?
You too.
All right. All right. Do you have an offer on Mr. Terry Williams?
There is, Judge. The motion is to dismiss all of Mr. Williams' matters today.
Okay. All right. Now recalling the matters of the people versus Terry Deshaun Williams. This is ticket 11-456-185. Count 1, drove while license not valid. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, unregistered motor vehicle. Ticket number SP 1070386. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P 117825571. 1 count drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Williams. Please state your name, Mr. Williams. You have to unmute. Mr. Williams, please unmute and state your name.
Terry Deshaun Williams.
Judge, it's my understanding there's an offer from the prosecutor, a recommendation from the prosecutor to dismiss Mr. Williams' matters today. We have no objection to that.
That there is an offer to dismiss these matters before the court today. The court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, one of the reasons why they're dismissing these cases is probably because you have some civil infractions that you need to pay or have been paid already. And so if you paid them, fantastic, you're all set. If you haven't paid some civil infractions, you need to pay them, okay, Mr. Williams?
Okay, where would I pay civil infractions at the Secretary of State?
No, here at 36th District Court, okay?
Okay, so is the infraction, can you tell me what they're for or how much I have to pay?
Let me see.
The other ones that you called.
All right, so give us 1 second. We're looking it up right now for you, okay, Mr. Williams?
That's fine.
We can be off the record in this. Attorney Duranick, did you ever get in contact with Keisha Williams?
I did, Judge, but then she signed out and hasn't come back.
She's back in room number 2 again. So if you want to go in there and talk to her,
Oh.
we're finished with this matter. I'll just give them the prices and you don't have to be here for that.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
you're welcome. No, thank you. You can put yourself on mute, Mr. Williams. You got some feedback or something. We're gonna figure it out. She's taking off some late fees for you right now, so we can tell you how much, okay?
So you say put it on mute so you won't hear the feedback?
Yeah, some like feedback coming through your stuff right now. You probably don't even know that it's happening.
I don't know what's happening. I'll mute and I'll come back when you guys are ready for me.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Williams.
You're welcome.
Okay. Mr. Williams, it's $335 you need to come up with, okay?
And pay that to the 36th district. And those civil infractions, because I just want to get an understanding because I
Yeah,
didn't.
so there's civil infractions from 2014. Looks like a speeding ticket, a seatbelt violation, and a defective or missing equipment. A lot of times that would be a cracked windshield or something like that. That would be on it.
Okay.
Oh, we got them this year. Oh, they were this year. I'm sorry. They were this year.
When is it?
Did you get those tickets this year?
Yeah.
Last year? Last year, like November?
For a mirror. And yes, I seen that. It was for a mirror. And some kind of way I had 2 of them, but I just hope that they're settled. And I was just trying to figure out the monies that had to be paid, how much it was and what it was for, because I don't want anything else out there. You know, I'm just trying to go ahead.
I get you, Mr. Williams. So it's $335, okay, for all 3 tickets.
Okay.
Okay,
Can you allow me a time period to get that?
absolutely. We took the late fees off, so just come down here and start paying. You don't have to pay it all off at once too. You could just make payments on it, okay? So just come down, just pay it, okay?
So if I get it paid in, let's say, the next 2 or 3 months, I'm saying if it takes that long, will they start charging me or something? I just want to be able to pay it off and it be settled. And
I don't know, Mr. Williams. Is it gonna be a time frame?
I get to pay this off.
If you start making payments on it, they'll give you like 2 to 3 months to pay on it, okay?
Okay, so maybe I can get down there to make a first payment in the next couple days. Okay.
Okay, that's fantastic, Mr. Williams. We already took the late fees off, so just come down here. I know you're working hard to try and get this all together. So just let them know and you can start making payments, okay?
Burden. They let me know it's a privilege to drive. It's not, you don't.
No, what you say? That's right.
I have the right to drive. It's a privilege, and I just want my privileges. I want to keep them, so I'll pay for them.
All right, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye, sir. Have a great day, okay?
Happy New Year to everybody.
Happy New Year to you too. All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Judge, I don't know if Kenesha Williams is there anymore. She isn't responding anymore.
Miss Williams, can you hear us?
You have her open. Do we have? Attorney Serrani, do you have her offer?
Let me see if I still have it.
Oh. She told me, she said she really did but I think she told me she did.
Her offer was plead to drag racing.
Yep. All right. Fantastic. Miss Williams, I don't know if she wants that or not. Miss Williams, Kenesha Williams.
Hey, Judge, was that elephant always there, or did you get that for Christmas?
It wasn't always there. I got it when I crossed over into Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. And this month is our Founders Day. And so I decided to bring it in and have it up here.
Oh, I like it. That's nice looking.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Judge, I saw it earlier and Stacy put it up to the screen so I could see it closer. That's very nice.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I don't remember who gave it to me, but I like it a lot. So I decided to bring it in and share it with everyone.
Yeah.
Really.
All right. Did you know what Miss Williams wanted to do? Did she talk about pleading or wanting something else?
No, she never responded, Judge.
All right. Okay. I'm gonna give her 2 more minutes to get with it. If not, then you have done us a great service this morning, Mr. Attorney Zaranek. I know it was a little bit more than you embarked on, and we appreciate your patience, but let me see if she'll respond by noon. If not, then we'll just shut it down and hopefully she'll call the courtroom. And we'll get her.
Okay.
But she was here, so don't. You have a good New Year?
Yeah, everything went real well. Christmas, New Year.
I should say a holiday. I just said New Year because we're only 5 days into the New Year.
And then it's back to work and all the craziness is kind of like back to normal.
Okay, like we never even missed a beat, okay?
Right.
That's
How about you? Everything go good?
Good. Everything's going well, so, you know.
Good.
I don't have a single complaint, and if I did, I wouldn't share it because I feel too bad.
No, you know, everybody's got their own stuff going on, and
I know.
But
All right. Well, thank you, Attorney Zaranek. I'll see you.